The perfect temperature for cooking lasagna.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the perfect cooking temperature for lasagna. If you've ever wondered about the ideal heat setting to achieve a deliciously baked lasagna, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in.
Why cooking temperature matters.
Before we get into the recommended temperature, let's understand why cooking temperature matters when it comes to lasagna. The cooking temperature plays a crucial role in ensuring that the lasagna cooks evenly, allowing the flavors to meld together and creating that perfect, mouth-watering dish. Cooking lasagna at the right temperature ensures a balance between a nicely cooked top layer and a fully heated center.
The recommended cooking temperature.
So, what is the recommended cooking temperature for lasagna? The general guideline is to bake your lasagna at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. This temperature provides a good balance between allowing the lasagna to cook thoroughly without burning the top layer. It ensures that the noodles are fully cooked, the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the flavors have a chance to mingle.
Monitoring the cooking process.
While the recommended cooking temperature is 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, it's important to keep in mind that individual ovens may vary in their heating accuracy. To ensure your lasagna cooks to perfection, it's a good idea to periodically check its progress while it's baking. You can use a kitchen thermometer to test the internal temperature of the lasagna to ensure it reaches a safe minimum temperature. The internal temperature should reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for the dish to be fully cooked and safe to consume.
Adjusting the temperature.
In some cases, you may want to adjust the cooking temperature slightly based on personal preferences or the specific recipe you're using. If you prefer a softer texture and a more caramelized top layer, you can decrease the temperature to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Conversely, if you prefer a slightly firmer texture and a more golden crust, you can increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. However, it's essential to monitor the lasagna closely when adjusting the temperature to prevent overcooking or burning. And there you have it. The recommended cooking temperature for lasagna is 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Remember to periodically check the cooking progress, ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and adjust the temperature slightly based on your preferences if needed. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to baking a delicious lasagna that will be the star of your next meal. Happy cooking!